before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video.
Mini golfing. I can't wait to get to the big house. Don't forget to give them a tour.
I will give them a tour. And put on music.
Yay!
And we have a beatbox in the back of our car.
A beatbox?
What?
What's a beatbox?
That's the boxer.
We are on the vacation. Here we are.
Vacation.
We just pulled up at the pub tent and we had breakfast. How did you like breakfast? Was it good?
So good.
I had egg, sausage, and
egg, sausage, and waffle. What'd you have, Si?
I had eggs and bacon and waffles.
Okay.
It was delicious. My mommy had dinner type of food.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, French fries and wings.
Let's go inside.
We're putt-putting. The drive was pretty much okay. I don't think I videoed any of it at night, but we were really only at nighttime for like 2 hours. We left at like 4 and then the sun came up at like 6, so and then the rest was daytime.
I thought it was morning all day.
No.
I slept.
She slept just a little bit. He slept the whole time.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's super hot outside. How hot do you think it is? It's very hot. The thing says 95 degrees, but it's probably not that hot. It's probably like 90, but it's hot. But the putt-putt thing has like a water game that's cool, and it has an arcade on the inside, which I think is open now. Last time we came here, it was in the middle of the pandemic, so the arcade wasn't open, so they just like played outside. So this time I think we're gonna get inside time and outside time. So
where's the outside time?
Outside they got the race cars and the mini golf. And
no, let's do the inside first because that's like the first thing.
You mean the driving court?
Yeah, the driving court. Yeah, and the go-karts.
Yes.
So anyway, let's have some fun. Vacation fun. Vacation fun.
We're gonna do it too.
Vacation fun.
Not yet.
I'm worn out. It's been a long day already, and we are still not done yet. There's this really cool wine store over here called Grapes and Hops. I just think that's really clever names. So we're gonna go. It was much needed. Oh yes, answer that. Have you? Yes. Not bad. It looks good. Oh no, it just looks pretty. Alright guys, this was the end of our travels. We pulled up to this gorgeous house and I definitely forgot to take a tour, but that was the end of our travel day heading to our family vacation. If you're enjoying these vacation videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. And on the screen will be linked to the previous vacation vlog video, so please don't forget to check that out. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next one. Bye.